some of the best examples are probably hidden away in the bowels of the NSA. I mean, they were the National Security Agency. Our premier intelligence agency was one of the first proponents of open source in a big way with Security Enhanced Linux, which they supported, sponsored, and supported the development of the security controls that were laid on top of Linux and is now distributed as SE Linux. That's been going on for at least 6 years, I think, now. Some of the more fun projects that appeal to me, Mars Curiosity rover wouldn't be doing its job right now if it weren't for the open source stack that's part of that video capture, video storage, and the data transfer between the craft, the rover, and NASA. Some big projects that the viewers may have heard about include OpenStack, which is, as you may know, I mean, cloud computing is very big in government now. Many mandates related to cloud computing. The OpenStack consortium actually started at NASA, and with Rackspace and NASA working together, it now includes over 150 companies that are working together to develop an infrastructure as a service cloud platform that will be and is open source. Many of the open source players, as well as hardware manufacturers, are involved in that. The other thing that's been around for quite some time that I think has been a very successful project related to open source is the DoD's Forge.mil. Forge.mil works within the enclave of DoD's software development processes as sort of a source forge for government and industry who are working together on projects including open source collaborations that are it's not just anyone can jump in and participate. You have to be badged, if you will, to use Forge.mil. But the concepts of open source, how it's managed, and the contributions to the open source community, if you will, have carried over in a very real way into something that's become very critical to the DoD's progress in maximizing their leverage of open source software.